Hello guys, welcome back to our live stream. Let me know if you can hear me properly. Audio and video is good. Pallav, good evening Sergi, good evening Pallav, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. You had a great last couple of weeks. We did not had the stream last Wednesday. I was traveling to Netherlands. I was not here, so we did not have any live stream last Wednesday. But now I'm back, so stream gonna be back every Wednesday like usual. So let me know if you guys can hear me properly, and then we're gonna kickstart this stream. And yeah, we're gonna talk about a lot of things today. We're gonna talk about last videos I released on the channel, and we're gonna talk a lot about indexing the pages because that's gonna be the main topic for today. We're gonna talk about humanizing content trap, and also last video we talk about the Google Search Console tips, which a lot of people are confused about. Let me know if you can hear me properly, and if you are here, let me open the stream on my laptop because the software I use for streaming, it's okay. Two people are online. So I cannot see a lot of comments on my streaming software. I think I need to do some more settings, but yes, here we are. Okay, we have 3 people online. How are you doing, guys? Let me know if you have any questions. We already have 5 likes on the stream. Nice. That's really unusual. But thank you so much. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, so I think audio is clear. You guys can hear me, and everything is good. So yeah, let me know if you have some questions, and let me start with the videos we created on the channel last couple of weeks. Okay. And for the people who are new to the stream, we do stream every Wednesday here. It's a good way to have better communication between us, because when I create the videos, it's just one-way communication. Of course, you can comment on the videos, but that's not back and forth communication if you have follow-up questions, and it takes a lot of time. So that's why we do this stream. That's why live stream to answer your questions better, so we can have back and forth communication, and people can have much better, replies to their questions, or they can have better answers. Okay, so let's start with the videos we did last couple of weeks. So we are almost 40,000 subscribers. First of all, thank you so much, guys. It's a big and huge number for an educational channel. There are not a lot of channels who have 40,000 subscribers who are educational channel who in such a short time. Yeah, there's some channels which are more about lifestyle and different kind of channel, but yes, 405 videos I've created in this channel, and this was a really nice number, I think, in my mind, because creating 400 quality videos is really very important and really hard task also. I was like, for me also, I cannot imagine that I have created 400 videos. Okay, let's talk about these 3 videos, because last 3 days since last time we have the live stream, we have these 3 videos released on the channel. So first one is this video, force Google to index your pages in 2025, and somebody said, what is there to force in this video? There's nothing like to force Google to index your pages. Well, this is right and wrong at the same time. There are some things which you can do to really force Google. For example, like I gave a lot of advice in this video that how a new website establish social media pages, so they really put pressure on Google that we are existing everywhere, please index our pages, and also gain credibility in eyes of Google. So very important video, 27 minutes long video. I know a lot of people don't like to watch big videos, but yes, if you can watch this video, it's gonna really help you out with your website pages indexing, because a lot of people face this issue where their pages are not being indexed. So watch this video, it's really gonna help you to index website pages very quickly. Very detailed video, and I talk about a lot of other things, and I also talk about in detail about AI generated content in this video, that how Google is not indexing the AI generated content. I talk about Google guidelines which they use for their search rater program, and I took all the understanding from that video, and then I created this video. I took all the information from that document, which is 182 pages document, and then I put a lot of important information in this video. So please watch this video, everybody who is new to the channel or who is facing issues with website indexing or who is creating AI generated content, please watch this video. It's a very, very important video. It's gonna help everyone who is associated to the channel. Okay, then after second video was why humanizing AI content is a trap and how to fix it. So I explained why humanizing AI content will not work, because some people think that what you do, you just create content from ChatGPT, Gemini or any other AI tool, and then you use a humanizing tool, and then you test your new content with a GPT checker or any checker tool to see if that content is humanized or not. And then they think, okay, my high quality content is ready, and they publish it, and in the end the content is not being indexed because humanizing is just, like so I use a very great example in this video, starting this video. Like, let me show you guys this example. It was really funny. I was like, how should I start the video? What should I use as a hook? So I finally came with this idea. It was a really nice idea. So this is the idea. So the idea is, you have the robot. Just putting a mustache on a robot will not make it a real person. Same way, humanizing the AI content will not make it a real content, will not make it human content. It will still remain the AI content. And yeah, there might be some tricks that you can bypass in GPT-0, but it will still remain the AI content. So that was the whole idea behind this video. Please watch this video, very interesting video. And people who are facing issues with indexing and they're working with AI and humanizing content, please watch this video. And then the third video with Google Search Console tips that instantly improve website SEO. So this video I created because a lot of people are commenting on the channel about a lot of issues with Google search, lot of issues with redirect and 404, lot of things where they don't understand. Not everything is shown in Search Console is an error. Search Console is all about to manage your website pages and relation with Google. For example, like Google will tell you in Search Console how pages are indexed, and if they're not indexed, why they're not indexed, and what is the relation between links and all those things. So this is the real use of Google Search Console. It's not always that everything you see in Google Search Console is an error and you have to fix it. So yeah, that was video. I think that this video is very important, and a lot of people are not getting the point, so they're commenting a lot of different stuff. For example, a lot of people comments on my redirect video or call current not index video that how to fix those things. So for example, if you have a page on a website, for example, let me show you. So there was a page on a website which was this one, contact page, but now contact us page. So this page is contact page, but it does not exist. And okay, I think the stream is always okay. So the old page was contact. I don't remember if it's contact us, contact me or something like this, but the new page is called get in touch. This is a new contact page. So what I have done, I have set up a redirect from that old URL. I don't remember exactly what was it, to this new URL. So now I have set up redirect. But when I go to Google Search Console account, it will show me a message that this page has redirect, the old URL. And a lot of people say, okay, what should I do now? How do I fix this so that it don't show up in Google Search Console? So this is the point I explained in this video, that not everything shown in Google Search Console is an error. So for example, I set this redirect and Google Search Console is only telling me that, okay, we have noticed this redirect there and now we are presenting this you in our report. So yes, now you can take action if an action required. If no action is required, that's totally fine. So you don't need to fix everything in the in Search Console. Yeah, that was the video. So watch these 3 videos. These very important videos we released on last couple of weeks on the channel. Okay, let's see what people are talking about. Hindi. What do you mean by Hindi, Satish? This is this channel is an English channel, so we don't have Hindi here. But if you have any questions, you can email me. I can reply you in your Hindi language also. Or yeah. Dhanchakra. What Shubham? What is it? Dhanchakra.in. Pallav, I make 301 redirect in Word SEO Press. Okay, you're using SEO Press plugin. I never use this plugin. Let me see. Oh wow, seems very good plugin. 300,000 installation. Wow, very good rating. I saw the rating. Where's the rating is gone? 4.8 out of 5. Wow, looks really good. Okay, it's in French. Let me change it to English so people can understand. Okay. Best SEO plugin for WordPress, fully integrated with all page builders and themes. Now with AI. Wow. Oh, this sounds really good. If you can generate automatically titles, description, all text for images, I think this seems like a really nice feature. I should make a video about it. Thank you, Pallav, for letting me know about this plugin. I'm gonna create a video on this once I have time. And yes, I know your analytics video is still not released, but yes, we're gonna see in future. Okay, they got a like paid version also. Yeah, but these features, they exist in the free version, or they are exist in the paid version. What do you think? If you know about it, sounds nice. There are a lot of new plugins are coming on WordPress repository these days. Featured plugin. Okay, they're the default featured plugin. Beta plugins. Okay, why are they calling them beta plugins? They exist from like, I don't know, years and years and still in beta phase. Okay. Popular plugins, Elementor is one of the most popular plugin. 10 plus million active installation. Yoast SEO. Wow. Did Yoast SEO surpass the Rank Math plugin? I sometimes I don't understand how it happens, because some plugins, or even it happens with YouTube. You follow some YouTube creator, and they got like 300,000 followers, and you come back like in a week or a month they are like million followers. I don't know how it happens. So okay, it looks like they have 10 million plus active installation. Wow, Yoast is seems like one of the most installed plugin on WordPress. Elementor, Yoast, WooCommerce 7, Lightspeed Cache is very popular plugin. I think I have a video on all this plugin on my channel. Sidekit, oh my god, horrible plugin. Horrible plugin. I suggest Google team to please take feedback seriously. Please address the issues. A lot of people are facing issues with the Sidekit plugin. It is really bad plugin, and a lot of bugs, especially the bugs with account connection. For example, if you connect the account, it's really hard sometimes to disconnect your account, and there are so many other bugs. I already talked about in detail in multiple videos that how this plugin is pain for most of the website owners. WordPress, really nice plugin, guys. Everybody should have a security plugin on the website. If you don't have the security plugin on the website, you are making a big mistake, and you will realize you might waste a lot of time and money to recover your website. So everybody should install this plugin. Highly important plugin. WordPress security, or you can install Solid security. There's so many other security plugin. Whichever suits you, whichever you like, install at least one security plugin on your website. That's like basic, like basic. You should have this plugin on your website. No other plugin but this or any other security plugin should be on your website. Okay, Yoast, Jetpack, Updraft Plus, guys. This is also nice plugin. Rank Math 3 million. Wow, Rank Math 3 million and Yoast 10 millions. When did this happen? Can we see the graph of like when the plugins was most installed? I remember there was some feature like this. If you just go to like plugin page, and you can see that when the plugin was downloaded most. Let me see. Advanced view. If you go to advanced view, I think there was a feature when you can see. Okay, so last 7 days. Oh, it's a lot. It's not even 10 million plus, 10 plus millions. But last 7 days, 4 million? No, okay, it's downloads. And what is this? It's active installation, okay. But still, it's a huge number. Let me compare this with the Rank Math plugin. Rank Math team, you have to do a lot of work. What's happening? So if you go to advanced view, Okay, let me do one thing. Let me open this side by side. So I open this here. Okay. So this is the Yoast versus rank math. Wow, you see a big difference. So left side is this is the rank math plugin, and right side the Yoast plugin. Wow, there's a huge difference. What's happening? So today, but the numbers is really today the download was for rank math 300,000 and for Yoast is 500,000. Not big difference. Not like okay 10-20% of 30%, but yesterday 28,000 and yesterday 3 million times. Whoa, is this number real or is this just bots downloading the plugin? Yoast, what's happening with you? Do you think it's a real number or what's happening here? I think this can't be true. Like 3 million, more than 3.2 million people downloaded this yesterday in comparison to 28,000. Is there some game? Is there some attack on the plugin or who is doing this? This is artificial number. Really weird. In last 7 days, 500,000 people installed or downloaded rank math, but 4 million people. Oh, wow, this number is really weird number. I think they should be okay. I can understand why the number gone like so much up, because as far as I remember, like Yoast was not so far behind from rank math, but now like it looks like really wow. Pallav, you want to say something about this? Okay, 301 redirect in the SEO press, previously randomly delete posts. Okay, yeah. But you can if you use the redirect plugin, it will automatically add the redirect from old URL to new URL. Okay, API need from ChatGPT. Can I create website reach from a Facebook ad but add third? Yes, you can create to unlock Bangladesh. Site cannot contain the website. Yeah. Sitekit is the one of the. But what's happening here? Use code snippet to install GA4 code directly in the head. Yeah, that's the better way. Waqar Javed. एरर 40 तो शोइंग इंस्टेंट इंडेक्स सेम आपके स्टेप किया फिर भी हो रहा है सर जी इंस्टेंट इंडेक्स सेम आपके स्टेप नो बट I don't have video on 403. I don't have video on 403 error. I think I have on 4004, sorry 404 and not 403. But Pallav, what do you think? I think it's really weird, the downloads of Yoast. What's happening here? Can we ask ChatGPT what's happening? ChatGPT, why Yoast SEO plugins downloads loss? Let's see what ChatGPT says, because that number is really does not make sense. Like yesterday 3 million people downloaded Yoast SEO plugin. Wow. Let's compare this with like some other plugins. So if I take similar, like which has 10 plus millions active installation, let's compare with the plugin. Okay, let's take Elementor plugin. Okay, so I keep this plugin here and we keep Yoast here, and then let's see Elementor and see how many downloads were there in last day or last many days. Oh wow, this is also a big number. Okay, 3 million last 7 days. But yesterday, what's happening? Okay, there are few days, October 8th. Why we have those spikes? Is this spikes people are creating website and stuff? Let's see what ChatGPT said us, because this does not make sense. Like plugins downloaded 4 million times just in last one day. No, couldn't find Skyrock last few days. Just one of the most SEO plugins. Here the bug injected hidden AI related. Oh wow, HTML wrappers into Yoast quickly release emergency fix. Yoast release, okay. Network connection lost, guys. I'm still online or the connection is lost? Are we online? So the biggest, most of the people to check internet they open Google. Do you know about this? Okay, we still have internet. We're gonna close the chat GPT. Maybe his connection lost. Okay. How many people live? 9 people live, guys. What's up? Where are you from? Let me know from where you're watching the stream. If you have any questions, let me know. And regarding yes, Wakar Javid, I don't have. I don't think I have questions. Sorry, a video on 403 error. No, I don't have 403. You said you follow my video. How is it's possible? You followed my video. I don't have a video on 403 error. Okay. Yeah, we are seeing some drop in the channel reach these days. Even the stream is also not reached to many people. Even I planned the stream in advance like a couple of days ago. But yeah, so guys, if you can, whenever you see a video on the channel, can you please just hype the video so that we have better reach now on the channel, because we are releasing the video like week by week, all good videos, but reach is going really down, not really great reach. For example, like this 9 days ago, like 800 views, and when you go check back in the YouTube studio, you see that reach is like significantly down. Even for our live streamers, the reach is going down. Weber, hello, how are you, sir? Weber, I'm good, how are you doing? Thank you so much, Weber. Weber is giving a lot of nice advice on our WhatsApp group. No notification of YouTube today. I don't know what's happening. Even there's some bug or something. Even the numbers is not making sense when you go to like channel backend. Even after releasing a lot of nice videos, and most of videos they have 97% like rate, so they're good videos, and that's why people are liking the videos. But still, the videos are not getting enough reach. I am not sure what's happening. So yeah, that's why I told also in the WhatsApp group to hype the video. If you see a video release, like just please hype the video. That will really help the channel, and even that will help the community to see the video, because there's no point of making the videos if it cannot reach to people. And it was all going well, but since last few, I think, weeks, the videos the reach start going down. And okay, I can understand if the videos are bad videos, then it's totally normal that videos reach goes down. But I don't think they are bad videos. I think, okay, I'm not saying they are the best videos in the world, but yes, I'm sure they are very educational videos, and they help a lot of people, especially when I receive comments from all of you guys, and I can clearly see that the video is working very nice. Even the audience retention is really good, but something is happening. I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe it's because of the hype feature. The other people, other channels are hyping more videos, so that's our videos are lost in middle of those things. But look, now that you said that we don't have YouTube notification, like that's a little bit weird. I don't know what's happening. So, do channel members get access to your semantic? Yes, channel members get access to semantic cheat sheet and a lot of other cheat sheet. So, idea behind channel membership is like, Pallav, everything is free on this channel. It takes a lot of efforts to create all these videos, and that's totally free. But I think like now it's a little bit hard for me also to manage the channel. So I thought like, okay, let's start channel membership. And we don't have a lot of channel members, but if we get some money from there, so I want to hire a like, first of all, I want to start a scholarship. We already talk about scholarship on the channel. So we are still, me and some other people, we have like, all of you who give suggestion, that we are already thinking about how we can do properly the scholarship program, so we can help people who don't have money to buy hosting and stuff. So that's we are doing. But also at the same time, I want to get off some burden from my shoulder, because this takes a lot of time just to create a video, and also to create how you say, to edit videos. I want to, okay, yeah. Oh, and we want moderators in the chat. Okay, so yeah, that's why the channel membership. I start channel membership, like, but most of the things are available, like free of cost to everybody. That's just extra step so that I can provide better, like fast videos. Because if I can hire a video editor to edit the videos and to create thumbnails, I think my work will be only to give the information and knowledge, not to waste hours and hours on editing, because these videos take a lot of time to edit. And yeah, so that's the whole idea behind channel membership. Okay, try some changes like banner, profile pic. No, it's reach. It's reach is the algorithm. It's not about the banner profile picture, I think. My comment ignore, wah bhai gazab. Yeah, Jamestown. Yeah, which comment did you say it? And okay, I'm tired of people like this. It say if you, I don't know what's happening. A lot of people just come and negatively comment on the channel, just with no sense. I got some guys using abusive language on the channel just without no reason. They come to the videos like, guys, what you have no other good work or what? So this guy, he comes to the channel and he's like, start abusing me on something, and I was like, bro, this is an educational video. Why you using such foul language on the videos? But yeah, I understand. I can understand people are frustrated, and they take out the frustration on anybody and everybody on internet. So I should not be taking this thing personal. So yeah, and Jamestown, if you have anything to say, just say. If you don't have anything to say, don't spoil our chat. You can go somewhere else. I don't see your comment. If somebody, even if somebody ignore your comment, that it could happen. That could be a mistake, and you are not paying us money to reply to comments and all those things. And next time you do this, yeah, you're gonna be directly removed from the stream and from the channel. I also noticed one of YouTube channel name is different. And yeah, one of thing your YouTube channel name is different and the username is different maybe. It was always like this. It was the old channel, whole name of the channel. So before the channel was called Let's Create Your Website, and there is a whole joke about this on the channel. For the people who are associated with the channel from last many years, they know that we changed channel name a lot of times. So I started the channel, the first name initially was Let's Create Your Website, and then it was Create Your Website, and then it was I forget. We have everything like on the, if you go to the post, you find the older post, and you will find a lot of channel name were changed. And this was a joke, like what will be the channel name next week or on the next live stream, because I was changing a lot of channel names. I'm not satisfied. Even I'm not satisfied with the current. Even I'm not satisfied with the current. How you say? With the current name. For example, if I, let me show you. So the currently channel name is Web and Blogging Academy. And first of all, I don't want to make it my own channel, my name, because my name is Abhishek. I don't want to make it my own name, because if I make it my own name, it's gonna be just all around me. Instead, I want to make this channel like a school or something. Maybe in future, I can have more people who are gonna create more videos about it, like a educational institute. I have a lot of big plans with this channel to educate people and give the best education. So I don't want to change it to my own name. And then after, right now we are talking about website and blogging a lot. So that's why I put this name, but I'm not satisfied with the name. But this channel name is like this from last, I think 1 year, more than 1 year. So yeah. So I think that's not the issue. Something else is there. I'm not sure what's happening, but yeah. But this is YouTube is very seasonal. Sometimes you get a lot of views, sometimes you get a lot of views. And for me, the idea is to not get in trap of YouTube views, because if I get in trap of YouTube views, I won't be able to help to anyone on the channel. For example, if I show you this video took like 4,000 views 2 weeks, or a 27-minute long video. I think it took like more than a week. So if I just think about views, then I won't be able to create videos. But yes, if few people get help from the videos, I think that's a good That's good enough for me, because the reason behind this channel is never views or money or anything. So yeah, that's why the name of the channel I think is not very appropriate. But let's see in future. If you guys have any suggestion, let me know what we should name the channel. Maybe something which, which is like something small, like I was still like, like I really like this name, Fireship. The YouTube channel Fireship. If you guys don't know, it's a very popular channel. I think got 5 million subscribers. They create very nice satirical videos on technology. If you guys don't know about this, let me show you. It's a very interesting channel. If you guys want to follow this, just follow this channel. It's all about tech, and they take on the technology, and the new release is so super nice. So people wait for the videos, and their videos like 4-5 minutes always, and once you watch them, you're like, okay, look. So these are the videos. Oh, they're also getting less views now. Wow, how did it happen? Because I remember they're also getting millions of views now. Okay, see, they get a million views, and then 700, 400,000, 300,000. Okay. I am also saying this because when I see in the backend of studio, the views are also not accurate. They are mismatching. So we don't know what's happening. So yeah, if you want to follow this channel, It's a real nice channel. It's like a funny 4 minutes explanation of everything what's happening in the tech. For example, you can guess from their thumbnails. They are super amazing, interesting videos, and their take is like, you laugh at the same time, and at the same time you get well informed about what's happening. For example, you can look this video about Gwen, super intelligence from Alibaba, or this one. You can see Sam Altman, new AI slot machines open for business. It's a really nice channel. Like this is a channel I really enjoy, and I watch. You can see I watch almost all their videos. Okay, I missed some videos, but mostly I watch so many of their videos. Like there's such a change, such a stress relieving channel. The gateway drug for developers. Yeah, that's what this channel is. So if you're anybody who's interested in this kind of content, please watch this channel. Simir Barrio, search string and feed is index. What do you mean? You mean it's not indexed? It's showing that because Google will not index your feed pages. I think you are saying the opposite way. Feed is not indexed. If it's not indexed, it's totally fine, because feed pages are not supposed to be indexed on Google. They are supposed to be fetched by feed readers, and then Google process them, or different feed readers process them. So if they are not indexed, that's totally fine. And also search string pages also. I have video about these things already on the channel. You can watch those videos. You can set up a robot.txt rule on your file that do not crawl my feed pages. But I think that won't be a good advice, because if you tell Google not to crawl them, that Google will not be able to index your pages on Google Discover. If they are there, just keep them like that. Maybe no index tag you could put, but that's not a problem. Don't be worried too much about those things. And I already created videos about those topics. You can check on the channel. Yeah, I know. Channel name should be Let's Create a Website. Yeah, but we talk nowadays more about SEO than website creation on this channel. X bro, don't worry, you're doing good. Thank you so much, brother. Jamestown, thanks. For what? Sir, do you know about Kore? I heard this name. Who's this guy? Let's see. Let's check. Yusupallah Kore Tukberg. Who's this guy? Yeah, I think I saw this video. So let me see. This says something. Yes, I watched some of the video of this guy. He talks a lot about topical authority. Yeah, I think I watched some of his videos. Maybe his videos someone else put on their channels. Yes, I know this guy. Yeah. I'm seeing, okay, you can see I watched this video on topic authority 10 months ago, but I have not watched in this detail. Hi Abhishek sir, I have a question about page indexing. Like, do we always need to manually request indexing such as or another video index or page? No, you don't need to always manual request indexing, but yeah, build your website reputation, and that's why I was telling that we have this amazing video. If you any problem with indexing, watch this video and you're gonna be indexing boss. I cover almost everything in this video. Let me see, where's the video. With the streaming, the PC becomes really slow. I have this PC 32 giga RAM, i7 processor, H processor, but still the stream makes it very slow. Okay, explore, watch this video. This will help you a lot of page indexing, so we do not need to worry about manual indexing. Just focus on how you can make trust with Google and how you can provide the best the best content on your website, so Google trusts your content. And with time passes, that's why I explained all this video, all the steps how you can build trust with Google, and with the time pass, the trust will improve with Google. Your page will be indexed much more quickly. You do not need to worry about always indexing the pages. Crawl budget is a thing you might need to worry about, but for small website, that also not a big thing. And it's mostly the like the how much Google trusts your website and how valuable your content is. For example, if your content is average content, then indexing is a problem, because what happens if you create a content which is low value content, or which is created from AI, then what happens, Google say, okay, this content is repeated content or duplicate content, because AI content is duplicate content. It already exists, AI just shuffled words from here and there. So Google will not index its pages, and when you do it repeatedly, Google will say, okay, this website is not generating any useful content, so we're not going to crawl it like often. We're going to minimize the crawl budget, because even Google servers has limitation. Google servers are not like infinite capabilities, they also have limitations, and they better spend the resources on the valuable content. So that's why it's very important not to produce any low value content. It might affect your crawl budget, it might affect your indexing time, and overall your ranking and traffic coming to your website. There's some cases, there might be some errors also. I'm not saying this 100% time it's like this, but yeah, most of the time this is the case. Will they not hurt SEOs, the search string and feed getting indexed? No, but I don't think they're indexed. You think your search string are indexed? No, I think you're saying the opposite. Google will not index your feed pages. Google will not index your search strings. Abdul Rahman, hi, welcome to stream. Just join the live. Welcome back, Abdul. How are you doing? Pallav, have you noticed YouTube is changes comment box UI currently showing names with channel name showing this user ID? Oh wow, really? Yeah, I see a lot of changes in YouTube. Even YouTube player is changed. You see, when you go to YouTube, the YouTube player is changed now. It's not like how it used to be. So yeah, there are a lot of changes are being made with YouTube. Guys, we have 5 likes. If anybody new, you can like the stream to just increase the reach of the stream, because we are having issues with the channel reach with videos and stream with everything. Usually we have like 20-30 people on the stream. Now we have only 7-8 people, and as Weber told us, and like other people said, like they're not getting notification from for the stream. So yeah, that will be really nice gesture from your side. And also, guys, this is very important. Like these days, there are a lot of website getting de-indexed, but if you make the honest effort, you write even not big content, you write a small content, or you do the SEO, like basic journal SEO with the good fundamentals, then you have really high chances to get a lot of traffic. Since we see AI hype is going away, like we always said on this channel, that AI is too much hype these days. So people are going back to Google and stuff because sometimes you don't get the answers. You want to get more, how you say, for example, let me tell you. For example, I wanted to create a new company for one of my business in France. So I was asking ChatGPT. Okay, let me show you. Let me see if I can show you. Let me open this and see if there's no sensitive information about this. Okay, so this was the. Okay, I cannot find this link. So what happened? I just tell you what happened. So I was asking ChatGPT, how can I create a new company in France? And I explained the company is about what. It's a new business. So I explained the domain, and then I asked about different companies, accounting companies to hire for my new business. And ChatGPT just gave me like like super small answer, and it was not really helpful. So I was like, I tried to ChatGPT, then I go to Gemini, and in the end I found out, okay, if I have to get knowledge about this, like real actionable steps, I have to go to Google. Then I went to Google. I did the old thing what we always used to do on Google. I found a lot of links, and which I found nice. The whole company which is talking about it. For example, there was a company which was talking about it, the whole business process. I go to their website, and then I found the right information which I get it. And I was just wasting my time with AI for like with ChatGPT and Perplexity and Gemini for like 30 minutes. And the amount of information I was getting, because it was not verified where it is coming from. It was coming from bunch of different websites. So it was all jumbled together. It was all together. And that was not the best information I was looking for. When I went to the special website, this company's website, I found everything, and everything was very clear to me within a few minutes. So I think AI hype is going down, and also Google is implementing a lot of AI into Google search, also in Chrome browser, all those things. So yes, right now this is the best time for your website SEO, because all these stupid website with the AI content, they are going away. Google is punishing them, and not, you can say punishing, but Google not indexing those content. So they're going down. So now you have really good chance to get your content in front of millions of people, to get a lot of traffic. We have seen our website. For example, we have this client. He is like too much about AI stuff. So he hired a agency, content creation agency, and my agency was handling SEO and programming and other kind of work, like development work for this website. And we was like, okay, we don't want to. This content is not good. They're like, no, we want to do this, and they might saw the result for some days, but after the traffic nosedived. And where we other clients which were doing the like the honest work, honest efforts with the proper content writers and SEO professionals, their traffic was like untouched. Maybe they got a small dip, but they're still untouched. They're still getting views, and even they're getting much more views than before. And the quality of leads is very improved. So that's another important thing to remember in the mind, that this is a really good time. If you can make some efforts, you can get a lot of traffic, and your business can improve significantly. Yes, you can like and chat in full screen as well. What is this? Like and okay. Oh wow, I didn't know that. Let me see. Oh yes, you can like and chat in full screen. Wow, that's a really nice feature. Even the screen looks good. I think I should be doing this like this. Okay, screen sharing. Yeah, this looks good. Even I don't need to have my face here. Oh, what's happening? Okay. Infinite glitch. What's happening? Okay, let's go out. You see what is happening? It was infinite glitch. They're just going inside. Okay, but yeah, I think this feature rolled like today or yesterday. X Bros, real thankful. Thanks for condition. You are most welcome, dear. पैसा ही पैसा होगा. What about your website? Did you already release your website, or still coming? Still in process, Pallav? Release your website. It's been months now. People are waiting here. Just gonna ask and just gonna come and ask to you that where's your website? Like you're waiting a Google Analytics video from me. We are waiting your website here. So we both are like sleeping over both these things we have to do, which are important. And also, can let me know, would you like if I create some freelancing videos? Because this is how I started my channel. I did a lot of freelancing in many years ago when I started my agency. Sorry, not channel, my agency. So would you like some like these kind of videos to find the clients online on internet, how to write application to those things, how to present your agency packages and stuff, how to estimate the efforts, that how much money you should ask to clients. Would you be interested in these kind of videos? Let me know. Google is planning to replace the standard serve page within the AI panel from Jan India. That they can replace, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be permanent thing, because right now when I see, like I give you example, I see AI has its benefits, but it also a lot of disadvantages, and I think what they're gonna do, they're gonna test it for some time, but I don't think they're gonna completely remove it. And also they're gonna give you options. For example, like if you search, let me see if I can show you. Like I live in Europe, we don't have AI mode here, but I think in India, USA, and Brazil, they already have the AI mode. Okay, let me see. Screen sharing. So we need VPN to. Where's the VPN? Okay, let's connect the VPN. So VPN is here. Once you open Google, have location India or USA, you have AI mode. So for example, now we have AI mode, and whenever we search something, we have this option on AI mode. And for example, which is the best, what is this SEO plugin? Okay, they release in Europe, I think. So for example, we have this thing. So you see, in starting, what is happening, we don't have these links here. So what's happening here, we have the by default, you see the blue links, the default search links was here, we already have those things there, but here it's more like a chat window, even with links also. So for example, this is information all coming from here, and then we have these two links here. So if somebody wants advanced information about this small section, they can watch these two videos. And then also we have multiple links here. If you see, we have this links here. If you click here, you can see the data is coming from these two websites, so you can go and find the data from there. I think they're gonna do a lot of changes before making completely AI mode. Before they already, for example, you see they very significant links here, they did not existed here before earlier. And also, for example, you can see I already created videos about these points. For example, you see all these links here, and all these, we have this, if I just uncheck this, we have this website show all, and they're like by default. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a good thing. It's gonna save a lot of time to people for people. Okay, which is the best SEO plugin? So AI SEO is the best SEO plugin according to Gemini, or Google's search with Gemini. Second is Rank Math. Third is Yoast, one of the oldest and most trusted. Okay, nice. There is no SEO press here, Pallav. It could be nice. Google should be giving money to website owner for fetching content and showing AI answer. Yeah, I also used to think like the same for a long time, but I have different opinions now. I think the traffic we see coming on the website, the leads are much better quality. For example, before, user were confused what to do, where to go, and user get frustrated and take a lot of time to find answers. Now it's easier to do Google search, and with help of AI and Gemini, it's easier to find answers. So we can do multiple searches in a day, and the quality of traffic coming to the website, the leads we are coming to the website are much more how to say valuable. Of course, the people who are relying on the clicks like clickbaits and all this stuff, for them the business is gone. But I think it's a good move. That's how it should be. For example, we are moving. Like for example, I cannot complain today that why we don't have horse carts nowadays. Why we move to cars and bicycles? Cars and bikes and other modern mode of transportation. We cannot do that, and we cannot. You cannot tell that we should give money to horse carts or horses owners and rickshaw pullers because we have new mode of transportation. Same way with AI, the world is changing, the technology is changing. We cannot keep hold on the old stuff. We have the better technology now, and if it's changing for good. I don't see a point of giving money to website owner fetching content, because Google is providing the service. Google is providing service. Google is putting them in front of a lot of people. This can be debated, but I think let's see where it goes in future, because a lot of changes are coming. AI hype is going down. Let's see how it will come out. One the Google dev by mistake commented on LinkedIn post. After a few, what is the post? Can you send me a link, Vaibhav? What is the post? Or you have screenshot from that something? Yash Patel, Happy New Year, sir. Happy New Year, Yash. How are you doing? Where you been? So long, Yash. If website owners are not paid, then how will this? Which website owner? Okay, every website has a purpose. Like why people create website. First of all, there are multiple ways you can earn income. It's not with. So, okay, it's a little bit complicated to explain. Let me try to explain how I can explain it nicely. So when you search from Google, when you do a Google search, the multi websites are presented there, and most of the website, their target is not to make money from AdSense, because what you're saying to make money from AdSense, that's not the primary work for Google search. AdSense is a product of Google search, but it's not. You cannot say that because we have AdSense, so we should be getting more traffic. No, the things are changing to make money. So website owners, they can make money by selling courses, by selling products, by affiliate marketing. Even Google's AdSense, they can still have money. They can sell some I don't know, ebooks and stuff. There can be multiple ways to make money, and mostly the people mostly the money is behind getting leads. Like no matter what you search for example, you look at plumber in your area, you are searching for a taxi, you are searching for a travel itinerary, you are searching for flights. All this is commercial things. I think a lot of people, they misunderstood all this thing, that AdSense is everything. No, AdSense is not everything. Blogging is not everything. Blogging is a very small part of internet, and yes, they are affected because they were abusing like from long time. They're creating using black hat methods and also AI for creating content, and now they are gone. If you're writing the good content, you will still get views. I have multiple websites I run or I manage, and I see our traffic is like still there, but we don't have AdSense on those websites. Like very few websites I have AdSense. If the website I run personally, they are like my own website. They are affiliate website. They are mostly selling something, but no website I have AdSense. Just one website. This one I have. This website you might know. This is website, dummy website for my channel. Yeah, let's see. This is not dummy website. This website I use for this channel. I create tutorials. If I implement new plugin, I implement the plugin on this website, and then this basically you can say this website is around this YouTube channel. That's why the website name is the same name I used to have on this channel. Have you tried the new comment assistant feature? Yeah, I tried, and it's also super nice features. And I have the comment browser I was using from last 1 month and maybe more than 1 month, couple of months, and it was nice in starting. I was like, wow, this is really cool feature. For example, like, let me show you. So I have the comment browser. It's from Perplexity. They send me, they made like exclusive okay, wait.
डिटेक्टर को बाईपास कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इससे कंटेंट हाई क्वालिटी नहीं बना।
Okay, so here's the comment browser. I was using assistance a lot. I tried doing some, like agentic works. Like I asked them to buy something from Amazon and stuff. Like even sometime what I do, for example, this how I use AI. So for example, I create this video and now I ask that summarize this video or extract key takeaways or anything. Create something from this video. So and then I can post that on LinkedIn. I can post that on Facebook or I can post that on our WhatsApp group, which you guys already know. So this is how I use this browser, but the hype is gone. I am not so much hype about it. Maybe I have to explore new things and maybe the new things are coming here. But yeah, for example, like all the browsers have this feature. You have Gemini in Chrome. Even on Firefox, you have this thing. Firefox. If you go here, and then you can connect with ChatGPT directly, and then look the same thing here. So here you have Perplexity, but here you have ChatGPT, or you can. I think you can choose which one you want. Look, you have all these things: Anthropic Claude, Copilot, Chat Mistral. I this everywhere. It's like create a cup with AI. So they are like, this is AI powered mug. Yeah, I tried. Actually, it's really cool, but I'm still doubting if I use it full time. Vikram, hi sir. If I share a screenshot from Google Search Console, could you please help me understand what the error means? What is related to websites? Vikram, tell me the error. What is the error? You don't just tell me the error. I can tell you about it. You don't need to share the screenshot. And we already have videos about most of the errors on the channel. You might see on Search Console. Even there was a video yesterday released that not everything in Search Console is an error. It's just like how your website are organized and how you can know about website pages, because sometimes they become really like, for example, hundreds and thousands of pages. So Google's Search Console just categorize your pages, or they put them in shelves, so you understand how the website are performing, how the pages are attached to each other, and a lot of other nice information. It's just like data extraction from your own website, and Google Search Console shows you. It's not something like Google Search Console telling you to do. It's just like the how to say, it's the simplified version of your website anatomy, what you can say, or structure of your website. Mr. Jat, hi Mr. Jat, how are you? PK Notes, hi, how are you? I'm good. PK Notes, how are you doing? What is new? It's now, guys, festive season coming. No matter which part of the world you are watching this video from where you live in, like in Asia, in Europe, in US, in Africa, in Gulf, anywhere, the festive season coming everywhere. So we have 2 more months remaining in this year. So everywhere it's how you say, it's festive time. The people, the municipal corporation, they started putting the lights here in Paris, so we can see all the lights on street Paris. And I see also in India the big festival Diwali was there recently, and there are more festivals coming. 2 more months of 2 more months of this year, and this year passed so fast. I did not realize when the year was gone. Every shiny thing is not gold. True. That's very true. That's very true. You're right. And also, like, not everything is like claimed how it is. It will be like that, because I think right now the hype of AI is going down and down, like hype of everything. There's a time things come, they have too much hype and they go down. And what people are using AI for, they're not using for good stuff. They're using for like doing low level activities. For example, creating the animated images, creating the low value content to put on the website, and whatnot. You know what I mean. Same, every error is not a problem, but they are not all errors. They are just like representation of the website. That's why I create these videos. I saw a guy, like, let me find this comment. People are like sometimes so rude, and they comment just so weirdly and so disrespectfully. Even they have no information about the topic. Like, you can really say, okay, this guy doesn't know anything about this topic, and they're like so rude about it. Uh, Let me show you if they comment. Okay, so this is one comment. Let me show you. So this is a guy. So he said, okay, sorry, your fix does not make sense, since according to many of those errors should be simply ignored, and that is nonsense. Many of those URLs should be removed. And I'm like, and this is not the first one. There are a lot of people are there. So for example, I talked about page redirect. So page redirect, if you are the one who set up page redirect, those URL which you set up redirect, they're gonna show in Google Search Console. Of course, Google say, okay, I found these redirects, and I'm showing you these are the redirects. You cannot do anything with them. You set up proper redirect, that's it, what you need to do, and they're gonna show there. And this guy is talking just like, and if you go to his channel, I think he has some videos about this. Let me show you. I'm not trying to publicly do something, but I'm just trying to show you the perspective. But he's not the one. Let's not. There are so many people that does the same thing. Just come, like, they have no knowledge about the topic, and they just start talking very rudely. Sometimes they abuse also, and I was like, bro, what? How f up you are in your mind that you have to, like, you come here to abuse me, and without you have any knowledge about this topic. Great, I am doing well. Checking a little bit design on my site. Nice, congratulations. 9 viewers, guys. How it is going? Tell me. I think you guys want to tell. You want to share something, or any result you saw in last few months on your website. You applied new techniques on your website. Have you seen the growth in your on your website or on your blog? Tell us if you want to share anything. We can talk about it. Vikram, we launched a new website and were seeing good growth, but over the past months, impressions have dropped to 3,250 and keep going down. How can I check causing this issue? Wow, hard to tell. Very hard to tell. I cannot say this without having the complete access and all those things. And also, like, new website, you have 300 impression, 3,000 impressions. That's a really good number. How you get this impression? Did you run ads or something? Because if you launch a new website, getting, like, initially, like, for new website 3,000 impression, that's a big number. You have to look for where you get the numbers. Maybe it's the social shares your team was working on, or somebody else working on, or somebody website somewhere, and then it just faded out from there. Because that's 3,000 for a new website is a big number, even for impression, like. And that's not an error. You're talking about some error. Do you have some error or something which you see in Google Search Console? On G-Ads, low value content, your site does not meet criteria of Google Publisher Network. For more information with access. Mine is new. Yeah, again, I have to look for the site, give more information. Maybe you can share the ads you're running. You're talking about AdSense, or you're talking about Google Ads, like publishing the ads? It cannot say anything without looking completely at the website or the ads. Give more information. Let's do one thing. Let's answer some question which I cannot answer via videos, but people have them in comments. I'm trying to find. Okay, let's talk about this big issue. There are a lot of big issue which is equal to m is equal to 1. And a lot of bloggers ask me about this issue, and I tell this is nothing to fix about. You cannot fix this issue. Let me show you. Okay, let me open the one blog, sample blog, and then we can talk about it. Okay. So guys, you can see this is sample blog I created like few days ago, like few months, few years ago, 2023, to create a video about it. So what happened? Like, let me show you if I open this in the mobile screen. Wow. If I refresh the page, this is the URL. Let me, I hope it will work here. It don't need. You can see there's automatically m is equal to 1 added here. Can you see here? A lot of people are confused about it. I created 2 videos already about this, but people still have questions. So what people says there are a lot of YouTubers on, they, for example, m is equal to 1, remove blogger. So a lot of people, like they have 100,000 views, they say first video is mine, 90,000 views. But a lot of people, they say they have to put a JavaScript code and then after this kind of code, and it will remove the m is equal to 1. This is totally nonsense. Do not fall into this trap, because what happens? Let me explain it technically. Because, so what happened? Blogger is a platform created by Google. So there is a lot of dynamic code behind the Blogger. So you have the option, you have this content management system. So you enter your data, and then this data is displayed in form of HTML on the browser. So what happened? For example, this m is equal to 1. Every time somebody opens the page, there will be m is equal to 1 query string added in the end. And this is coming from the server side. So what people does, the solution what they give people, that add JavaScript code, and what this JavaScript code does, it remove m is equal to 1 from the query string. But they does it after the page is loaded, after server generated the response, after m is equal to is removed. So even if people remove m is equal to 1 from the query string, that does not solve the purpose. And we have this error on Google Search Console. So Google Search Console says that they are not going to index m is equal to 1 URLs, which is totally fine. Why? Because there are 2 different URLs. One is URL, that default one, this you can see this is the URL. And the second one is m is equal to 1. So if this URL is indexed, Google will not going to index this another URL which query string. And people are still confused about this thing, that why, how to solve this thing. Nothing to solve it. It's not you. This is something Google have to fix. And Blogger is super old platform, super bad platform. Do not use it. Do not waste your time on Blogger. And I don't know why Google is such a big company. They're keeping this platform such old style. Either they discontinue this platform or they make some improvement. Because people are stuck on this platform, they're not seeing any result for why people are using this platform. No option to do SEO, no option to add plugins and stuff. So yes, so you do not need to do anything here. Google has to fix something, and people don't understand that they cannot do anything here, because this is server side thing. You don't control the Google servers. It's the Google servers, they create this query string. And people say add JavaScript code. Adding JavaScript code is like how you say it? It's like putting a band-aid on a wound. So no, JavaScript code remove the m is equal to 1 after the page loaded. It will not remove the URL itself from the system. And I already created so many videos about it, but people still don't understand. People still ask me, give me the JavaScript code. What is the JavaScript code? And in my video, I said, okay, this JavaScript code does not work. Do not use them. And people comment on my video, what is the JavaScript code, where I can copy it? Yeah, only one thing you can do. You can add, you can tell Google not to crawl these URLs if you don't want to see them on your Search Console report. Even you see them on Search Console report, does not matter. They're not at all important. You don't need to worry about those things. Google Ads approval. Okay, Xbro, I have to really look at the website. I cannot say without looking at the website. Send me an email with detailed screenshot about this. You can find my email on the channel description or channel information. Send me email about it, or you can find the link in description about sending me email. Somebody website, and there you can add some screenshot link to Google Drive where you have all the screenshot and everything. I can take a look, and then I can get reply back to your email. Yes, I have been applying for AdSense 1-2 years, rejected. I changed design, AdSense was approved. I did not change the content, added new content, just design change. Yeah, but how much money you are making? This is the big question, PK Notes. AdSense approval is really not a big thing. If you think the whole game is getting AdSense approval, it's knock knock, how you say, please wake up now from sleep. AdSense is not a big thing. The real game starts after. You can have a AdSense approved on your website, but how much money you are making, that's the important thing. I saw people, they make like, I don't know, $5 a month. What $5 will do? You are putting so much of time on creating those content and you're getting $5, not worth it. The error for rejection was basically low or thin content. I changed design. Yeah. Can we make coupon website? Wait. For rejection, basically, yeah. But you know, sometimes what happens. That's what I'm telling you. Having AdSense approval is not a big thing. You can. I saw a lot of people, they get AdSense approval. If you have a professional looking website, you can get the AdSense approval. That's why what people does, they have the basic website, all the default latest posts on the one side, left side, the main page, and right sidebar they have the default search button, then author profile, and then recent posts or like categories. That's it. That's why the website was rejected. You can get the AdSense approval, but how much traffic and money you are making, that's the important thing. Yeah, I know there are some people, they spend 3 or 4 years just behind AdSense approval. That's why there's a big reason behind all those videos I create on channel is to really help people. They're spending years and years because the time will never come back. People are wasting a lot of resources. The problem is educators. In the blogging field is almost a scam industry. You have people who have millions of followers and they show people fake dreams that they can make so much money. Just copy the content from here, from ChatGPT, from other website, change the languages, and you can make so much of money, fake screenshot and everything, and they make a lot of money, but not the people who are following this bad advice. That's why I also create this kind of really detailed videos, and people say, why you talk too much about in detail, you just give the solution. I'm like, no, there's no solution. Somebody tells me, for example, I tell you, so this was a video. So I create this video, 27-minute long video, and I explain everything about page indexing. And some guy commented that you don't know anything, you do not give any solution how I index my pages. And I was like, it's not easy that you click on a button, your page will index. No, it's about being educated about this domain, how all these things works. That's why the videos are super detailed videos. Yeah, it really makes me sad to know that people are spending so much time, efforts, and years of hard work, and this really make me sad. That's also motivation behind this channel, that to create the content which can really educate people, teach them something. Bro, this guy, 1 million followers, he's so full of BS. He literally, I saw his video, every video he crossed new level of stupidities and new level of cheating people. So he say, okay, open a blog which is well established blog, open his blog, copy the content, put on Google Translate, convert in your own language, write it there and write in your own words, copy this and write in your own words. Such a bad advice. And I won't go to age calculators. That's like topic for another day. I don't want to talk about age calculator. But that's the sad part. Blogging is almost a scam industry. And now since the AI mode came, a lot of bloggers, they say they are blogger, they left blogging. They are talking about crypto now. So now they are cheating people with more amount of money, like directly with crypto. Can we make coupon website in WordPress? Of course you can make. It's super easy to make coupon website in WordPress. I send my website for audit, please audit it. Okay, we'll see. If the time remains, we'll do audit, but I'm not sure if we can do audit today. Which ad networks can we use to monetize? Google AdSense is fine. AdSense I heard, Ezoic I heard. There's so many ad platform, but think about what is the website, what kind of content you want to put on website, because sometimes this website put really content which is yeah, you said penny, right? So changing your design, having Google AdSense approval is not something big. If your content is not that great, low value content, you're gonna make pennies. True. What's the purpose of putting all the hard work? Okay, Vikram, duplicate without user Canonical 143 failed, blocked by robots.txt failed, crawled currently not indexed, 136 failed. Excuse by no index not started. Okay, Vikram, go to my channel, go to this playlist called Google Search Console, and you will let me show you. So this you watch these videos, you will have understanding about all those things. No matter how much I tell you right now, you will not understand. You need to have the global understanding about how all these things work. I have the complete playlist. I think it's going to take 1 hour to you maybe to finish the playlist, but you will understand everything about 32 videos, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. But yes, you will understand everything. So I talk about all these points here. For example, you talk about canonical is here. This is the video. You talk about currently not index is here. And also currently not index is big problem because of the low value content. You can find on my channel the video about low value content. What else you said? No index tag. We have the video on no index tag. Here's the video on no index tag. There are few possibilities. So for example, either your WordPress settings, you are not indexing your website. There is setting on WordPress. If you go on reading, I think if you go to reading, you have this checkbox that might be selected. Second, you might have settings in Yoast SEO or Rank Math or any SEO plugin which is adding no index tag on your website on the pages. That's why page is not getting indexed. And third will be maybe on the page level there are no index tag is selected. Now you have to check. Okay, I think I was. So here you can see this is the video. So for example, now it's not always about that. For example, this is what I'm saying. Watch this whole playlist. It might take some time, but I guarantee you will have so much knowledge about it. You will never need to ask any more question to anyone. But watch all the videos, and they're very useful videos, because I can tell you something, but it will not really help you out. You need to have the global knowledge about this. It took me years and years to understand those things, and I created video about it. So for example, first of all, you said you have 143 like I can see that you like 400-500 pages. Are all these pages important for you? You want all these pages to index or not? This is the big question about it. I create so many videos on the channel where I explain about all these concepts in detail, that not all the pages, not all the URL displayed here should be indexed. Which page should you index, which page you should not index, everything is available on the channel. And then just check the lot of important videos. For example, like I tell you, okay, I know which videos are the best videos on the channel, which videos are not the best videos on the channel. For example, indexing guide, check this channel. This video is really good. Vikram, it's going to help you out a lot, especially with a new website. Watch this video. This is an important video. You will understand like a lot of things about Search Console. And for new people, topical map video. Let me search. Because there's some videos which are really nice video. I talk about these kind of concept. Let me see. For example, feed page. Somebody was asking feed pages. The video is here. Yeah, 10 Search Console tips for ranking number 1 on Google. 5 data-driven tricks for Google Search Console. There's so many nice, important videos. When sometimes I look back, I'm like, wow, I have created some real nice content on YouTube. Fixing URL. Yeah, I think this is the video I talk a lot about when you need to fix something, how to fix something. Do not use validate fix button. For example, I see a lot of people what they does, they click on validate fix. This makes things worse. You will say, okay, this website have not done any significant efforts on the website. They are just resubmitting the same thing again and again. That makes things worse. So many videos. Pages are indexed but not showing Google search. Just watch all these videos in the playlist, and you will have so much better understanding about this. Extreme fun. Do you think it is worth to blog traffic? No. Don't waste your time with AI. Even people who make so much effort, 2 years they make pennies, like AI. No. SEO work. Rewriting is just like in exam we used to copy. Yeah, exactly. But these things might work in exam. These things don't work with computers. For example, computers are really good to catch all those stuff. They don't make mistakes. They don't do errors. For example, like people say, okay, copy the content from AI, humanize it, and then now the content is human content. How? Are you stupid or what? Like AI content putting in another AI will make it human? No, it will never make it human content. It will still remain AI. And people, they're just doing this all the day, wasting their time and money. Yes, I came to know that hard way. Yes. Can I ask, do you work on blogging tool-based APK sites? And also, what the scope of simple textual-based website? But again, this is the point of, see, that's why I'm saying it's a global thinking. If you're asking this question right now, so it means you are lacking your knowledge a lot. PK notes. Don't mind my words, but if this is your question, it means, first of all, it means you don't watch videos on my channel. Like you might watch some videos here and there, maybe while eating food and stuff. First think this, because if you're asking this question after 400 videos on this channel, then you're not watching the videos. If you know the videos, you will not ask this question. Second thing is, depends what is your target, what you want to do. Google clearly says if you create any website, any content, you want it to be indexed on Google, you want it to be ranked, there should be purpose behind it. For example, if I create a website about selling my shoes, selling my company who makes power banks, selling my company who make pens, anything, there is a purpose, there is a company website. Second, I create a website for giving tracking information or tourist information, there is a purpose behind it. But if I say I create textual website, text-based website, and to get money from it, this is a low value website. It's clearly written in Google Documents. I mentioned this so many videos. And just watch the videos, you will know a lot of stuff. Can I ask, do you work in a blogging? Okay, I think, yeah. Thank you so much. You're most welcome, Vikram. Also, can you guide me building a website through a hybrid approach, WordPress? No, what? See, this is the problem. It's not about. What do you mean WordPress custom coded website? Why you want to create a website for custom coded plus WordPress? What is the target? You talking about like how I explain this? Pallav, would you like to help me on this point or somebody else? Brother, again, you can't get success with this kind of approach. It's not about WordPress or custom coded. It's everybody who's telling you this thing, they're just like either they don't have knowledge about this thing. For example, you create a website, create a WordPress website. Why you want to create custom coded website? Have a purpose behind it. You are still struggling with the content and you want to create a website, WordPress with custom website. You are making your life more difficult. Pick one thing and focus on that thing. Pick a good niche, focus on that thing. Create a website which guides people, like, for example, like about travel, tourism, about a specific topic which is not obvious on internet, which is you cannot replace easily by AI. For example, we talk about this thing, like for example, you search about tomato sauce, best tomato Italian pasta recipe. AI will not answer this. AI can give you like some steps, but a real authentic Italian recipe, you have to watch a blog, you have to read a blog post, or you have to watch a video, like real video. AI cannot replace it. AI cannot put the human element to it. So you have to really watch that. Check, no, there's a link to submit the website to audit. Have you figured out a method? See, this is what we're talking about. Every website is different. You cannot, Extreme FN, we cannot have a special method that you apply this method and your website LCP is fixed. Every website is different. That's what I did. You say you applied my concept. You cannot apply my concept because the example I shown is on my website. Your website has different LCP. So what is LCP? LCP is called largest contentful paint. So for example, let me show you. So if I open this website, this is my website. So LCP for the, wow, with streaming, everything becomes so slow. You see here, largest contentful paint. So this big image, background image, is LCP of my website, is the largest contentful paint of my website. In your website is different. So if you follow my video, you think that you can fix it? No, you cannot fix it because your website is different. You might have different LCP on your website. What I does on the video is to give you idea how to talk about LCP, how to identify LCP, and now you have to think about that, and then you can fix on your website. And I give you the concept. I have so many videos on LCP, 3, 4 videos, 5 videos, I think you can see 4 videos. I can give you idea about LCP. You can use the tool, but it's not that easy that you follow my video step by step and you can solve LCP, because every website is different. You cannot do this. This is called troubleshooting. Like, you have to watch the video and apply on your own website. I hope you get my point. Yes, you're right. I don't have much knowledge and I recently started watching your channel, and the knowledge you deliver from videos I watch is awesome. Thank you. What's behind hybrid approaches that I can design well using WordPress, but with custom code you can make design really bro. PK notes, what you're saying is totally opposite. It's easy to have good design with WordPress instead of custom coding. WordPress has so much of free templates available. You can use those things. WordPress so much plugins available, like so much page builders to create your website beautiful. Custom coding will make your life nightmare. I'm a programmer. I am a developer from like 17 years. But for these kind of projects, I use WordPress. I use CMS. I don't want to code everything. I don't want to create login page. I don't want to create like whole system with codes. I don't want to go in the code for every small thing. No, I want WordPress. Everything is there already prepared. I just want to use that CMS and get things done very fast. So you're gonna make your life nightmare. You're going wrong. It's totally fine not to have knowledge about the thing. You learn. But if you're stuck there on for years and years, bad thing. Gain knowledge, go to college, study there somewhere, get a course about it, and then just move in the right direction. If you're not moving, you're stuck there. I think you have to rethink about your strategy. You have to really take things seriously. Don't take them casually. Watch all my videos. Watch a lot of other people's videos. Watch a video about WordPress developer. WordPress super simple. Like, if you want to move from WordPress to custom code because you cannot design well, I think that's not the right approach. But that's interesting. I want to understand why you think that you can do good website design with custom code than WordPress. Very interesting. Anybody else want to add something on this? Okay, 6 people on the stream. Oh, 10 people on the stream. Nice. I think it's for me something to do with lazy loading on my page because Elementor I'm using Lightspeed. No, lazy. You should see, if you watch my video, I explain clearly that your first image should not be lazy loaded. You said you follow my video, but you did not. In this video, clearly explain that screen sharing. In this video, I clearly explain that you should not be lazy loading your largest contentful pane. That should be excluded from lazy loaded. So yes, do that. If you know this is the issue, do that. Do not lazy load the largest contentful element, the main element. And also it's more about, do not, if your website is loading fast, do not too much worry about LCP. These metrics are guidelines there, but Google itself does not follow these things and they're always changing stuff here and there. No, this is the thing. You can use any plugin, but if you don't understand how things works, then it's really complicated to fix stuff like this. In simple website, these plugins works really well. You have simple website, you implement the plugin, they make the website faster by implementing cache, by optimizing images, by differing JavaScript, by by differing CSS, by combining JavaScript, all those things. But the real game comes when you have complicated website, use a lot of plugins. Then these plugins settings will not work. Then you have to fine tune the stuff. You have to give the input to these things. Same thing like SEO. Like, okay, we have rank math plugin. They does a lot of stuff, but you have to intervene by yourself to write titles and stuff. How much time it take to load a website? If your website is fast or not? How much time it take to load in a mobile device? Thanks for advice. You're most welcome, dear. Is there somebody who's first time on the channel? They find the channel from through the live stream. 3.57, 3.5 second. Yeah, I think it should be 2 seconds, right? LCP. What's the new? The Google changed the guidelines all the time. What is the website about? What is the website? So let's take this website. Let's test this website. Let's take website from one of our channel members. Channels. So Yash website. No, Yash is not your website, right? No, it's not Yash website. It's Sagun's website, if I'm not wrong. So 2.5 second is not green. Orange is not bad. Like, don't worry too much about it. Just optimize the image, something, remove lazy load from the image, and you will have the green here also. And do not obsess about all these things. They are always changing, and all these things are. All these things are always changing. For example, like now, Google core web editors are changing to different approach. Once it's loaded, you will see. Okay, you can see here, this is the scores for this website, FCP 3.2 second. So here you go, if you go just, oh wow, this is really weird, because some website they show the new metrics, some website they show the old metrics, and you have always option to change the metrics. Let me see if I can find, it's been a long time I did not do these audits. Okay, so now you can see we have insights. Yeah, okay, this is the new metrics. Before we have different metrics, now the new metrics. So we don't have like really LCP image here. We have the LCP breakdown here. So LCP breakdown is, you can see now it's much better metrics. So we know where is the issue. For example, time to first byte is 0 millisecond. So we don't have any problem with connection of the website connection. For example, if somebody requests the website from the server, the response time, the first byte is perfect, 0 millisecond. Resource load delay, this is the problem, 11,000 ms. So in this case, it could be, I think, resource, let's see, maybe it's the time it taking to loading, resource load duration, and how much time it took to load. So this is the time, how much time it take to like delay to come the browser to come on this part to render this image. For example, this is the website. Guys, check out this website. Also NPL update. If you're in Nepal, you want to get the update about Nepal. This is our community member, house channel member, our one of the people among us from community. His website. He create details about Nepal, all the stuff. So you can see this is the image. So this says resource load delay. So the time this first image, I think this will be the first image here, this one, because this is okay. Let's not check this. This is the Google AdSense. So this is the main image. You see the largest content on the first load, first viewport. So let's see this one, and this was taking long to load. So once all this thing load, then this loads. So what you can do in this case, for example, you can put the fetch priority. This should be fetched first on the page. So this image has priority. So instead of loading all this stuff, all the JavaScript files, if we go in the code, for example, let's see. So this is the image, how you troubleshoot stuff. Go right click. Okay, so okay, let's take this div, because div has unique ID. So you can see. So if I search here, this one, you see there is a lot of code before it. So before that element loads, so before you see this is the image, after this the image load inside this, you can see here. So before this div loads, we have all these things are loading here. Maybe some other images are there, maybe the logo is there, a lot of other things are there. So what you need to do is, first of all, do not, and you see all the JavaScript is loading, all these files are loading. Even look, they are not, so many CS files are loading which are not even required there. And a lot of JavaScript is loading, and JavaScript, they're not even, there's no async tag or defer tag in this JavaScript. So these are all blocking to load of LCP of the image. So what's happening, that makes this image load at 11,000 millisecond after the first connection, and then it takes another 3,270 millisecond to completely load the image, and the element render delay is 50 millisecond, which is totally fine. So they have to focus on this one. So you need to find your image, your LCP, which is creating the delay, and then you have to, how you say, you have to find the what is blocking, what's other things are loading before. First few things what you can do, you can remove the lazy loading tag from the image. Second thing, put fetch priority first high, or and also don't have the JavaScript and CS loading earlier in the code, like move them in the bottom which are not required. Put async tag, push defer tag, they are all available with the Lightspeed Cache plugin. Do not add the, for example, like inline JS, why you need JS here, like what is for emoji, remove the emoji, this is not required really. You can, if you want this one code, put in the footer. You have all this option in Lightspeed Cache plugin. As you said, you are using Lightspeed Cache plugin, so check my videos about all those things. I have 10 videos in Lightspeed Cache plugin which I break down everything step by step, how to say, piece by piece, about all the options available in Lightspeed Cache plugin. Look, all this is not required. For example, contact form SAM, you don't need the CSS here to load first. First focus on LCP or only the things which are important. We have, look, we have this is the problem. Here we have the script about this pop-up, this annoying pop-up. You can defer this script and you can put this script in the footer of the page, so it will not block the loading of the page. You have this big JavaScript here, okay, this is deferred, but then you have this one. You can see they have defer tag here, which is fine, but you can put complete this thing here in the footer of the page. You don't need all this CSS here. So yeah, this is you have to do. Go to your website, and then you can take all the, you can troubleshoot your website and session I gave and implement on your website, and your LCP will be solved, I'm sure. But this is the thing. If you don't know about those things, then you have to watch the videos. I have so many videos on the channel about this topic. Speed optimize, there is a complete playlist on the channel. You can go watch those things, learn skills and solve those things, because I cannot help everybody one by one. It's gonna take like all my life, and I will still not be able to help everybody. So I have created the videos, I give you guidelines. Everybody who's watching this video, this stream, they will know that what to do. So now it's on you. Okay, anything last, and we can wrap up this live stream. And guys, I have a request to you guys, please hype the videos whenever you see a new video. I released a video yesterday. You might have this option to hype the video. Can you just go and hype the video? It will really improve the channel visibility, because now the reach is going super down. I don't understand why, but it's going down. So this is the video yesterday. I launched this video. You can put hype on this video. Right now I see there is no hype, so I'm just adding this. So this was the video. You can see yesterday. I think you have 48 hours to hype the video. Here you go, 3 GSC tips. Just please have the video, really have the channel. Let me see if I can send this to, okay, I'm adding this to the chat. And whenever, just see if it's possible, you can hype the video until we have this thing fixed on the channel, or I don't know what's happening. I think it's a feature available for most of you. So you can just, whenever you see videos, there is the option on the under the video to hide the video, which will, what happens, so this is a new feature created by YouTube for small creators, because sometimes what happens, small creators don't get so much of reach, so YouTube started this thing where you can hide the videos, and when you hide the videos, in proportion to the audience, for example, small creator will get more points, their video is more hyped, and when you find video useful, it's hyped, then this video is pushed to more people, pushed to more audience, they can also get help. So that's the thing you can do. Okay, shall we wrap the stream? Yash, you're not talking a lot today. What's happened? Or too much English for you today, Yash? How's your English learning going on, Yash? And guys, I always request you, I always advise you that please focus on English. My English is not perfect. I make so much errors in English, but at least I am fluent in English. I can understand, I can make people understand. I speak sometimes very slowly, sometimes very fast. And a lot of people complain about this of my habit. I am aware of this thing, that I am working on it, but it takes time. Same ways for you also. If you're not good in English, please learn English. If you want to get success in IT industry, you want to get success in digital marketing, all those things, all these tools are available in English. So you have to work on English. And English is not a hard language. Especially if you're from Southeast Asia, you're from Indian subcontinent, we use so much words in English. So it's really easy for us. You just need practice. And if you're not really putting efforts, you are missing a lot. That's why these scam YouTubers, they have so big following, because their audience, they are just watching the content in Hindi or in their local language, and they have no reference to what's happening in the world on the global stage. So if you really want to have the global knowledge, please focus on English. It's really, really important. It's really easy. It's not that hard to understand English. You just practice, like spend few days, few weeks, and you will get good knowledge about good knowledge about you will have really good high level of you will have really good level of English. Okay, so yes, hype option not showing. Maybe it's 24 hours. I think 24 hours is gone. That's why. But for the next time, if you see any videos, you can do hype. Okay, so guys, any last question? And in next 2 minutes, we're gonna finish the live stream. If I don't have any more questions or any comments, let me know, guys. Started following you. Nice. Okay, I think that's all for today. Almost 2 hours on this stream. A lot. And yeah, that's a wrap, guys. Please watch the videos. This is the same thing all the time. Most of the problems we are facing, I've already created video about those things. Just go to the channel, get a global knowledge about it. Like, do not look for like small tricks on secrets that you can find and you can solve issues with website ranking, website page indexing. No, try to get global knowledge about it. It might take couple of hours, but imagine, like, you put 3 hours, you watch a playlist, complete playlist for 3 hours. That will save you months and months of time. Otherwise, you just try to fix, like, with the tricks or something, then they don't work, and then you will waste a lot of times on those things. So that's all from my side today, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice rest of the week, and then let's see you next week, Wednesday, on this live stream here. And also the videos are coming as usual, and you can also always comment on the videos, related videos. Go watch those videos, comment on those videos, and I will answer you, reply you back. And you can also join WhatsApp group we have on the channel. But before you join the WhatsApp group, there's some rules about the group, so you can watch the video on the channel. What are the rules to join the WhatsApp group? That group is not a help group. That group is not about you come here, you come there, and you ask for help, and then no. That group is more about building connection with people. That group is more about helping each other. So before asking any question in that WhatsApp group, please help somebody else. Participate in the group, make connection, make relationship with people, provide some value, and then ask for some help. Okay. I see some people, they join the WhatsApp group and they're like, okay, I have this problem, help me out. No, first of all, be nice to people, say hi, hello, how are you doing? At least say hi. okay, and say at least say hi and thank you. There should be 2 words you should be including when you're asking for help, because sometimes people, they are so rude even when they're asking for help. For example, there's a guy, he's I created a video about I think about, yeah, humanizing content, and in this video I just talk about AI and humanizing content. And there's a guy, he was very rude. He's like, you always help people with WordPress, you never help people with Blogger and stuff. I'm like, dude, first of all, don't be rude. If you're asking help, be nice. Second is, this video is not about Blogger or WordPress, it's more about humanizing content, and there's so many videos on the channel about all the topics. So same way, if you are joining the WhatsApp group, please be polite, please be kind, and say, at least say hi and thank you in your message when you're asking for help. And do not ask for help directly. First come, join the group, stay there, help other people, provide some value. Vaibhav is, thank you so much, Vaibhav is always there helping a lot of people. And yeah, so that's the purpose of the group. And keep learning, keep watching, focus on the core concept, do not look for the shortcuts, they don't work mostly. And yeah, see you in the next video or on the next live stream on Wednesday. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Have a nice rest of the day and nice rest of the week.